Okay, girls, so this is the second video on space, continuing on from the introduction video. And as I said, until you know about Isaac Newton's laws of motion, you don't really, you can't really do anything with rocket science. Okay, so we're going to look at Newton's three laws of motion first of all, and how they apply to basically our first one, which was our first area that we were going to look at, which is how do you get a rocket up into space. Okay, so and anything to do with space and any equation and any maths that you want to work out, you need to know these three equations. Okay, so it's Isaac Newton's laws of motion. Okay, there's three of them. Okay, and the first one says this. Basically what it looks like this. So here's our friend sigma again, and okay, so what does that mean? Well, it's very, very simple. Basically, what it means is that if you've got an object like that pen, it's not going to move until something pushes it. Okay, that's the first part of it. The second part of it says that it's going to continue to move at a constant rate until something slows it down. Okay, now in the Earth, so if you've got the Earth like this and you fly a plane through the sky, then as the plane flies, there's lots of air pressure and there's clouds and everything that will slow the plane down. So you need a lot of force, okay, to push the plane forward, so to continue it forward. Okay, in space that's different, because space, as we said, is a vacuum. So what you can do is, if you have a rocket like this, okay, and you have your fuel and it takes off, then what you can do is you can accelerate the rocket up to a certain point, up until it's in space. Then you can turn off the engines and it'll actually continue on at a constant rate like that. Okay, so that's what the first law that he says, our first law of motion from Newton, that he basically says that it's not going to move until you push it, or until something acts upon it. That's how they say it. And it's going to continue to move at that rate until something stops it from moving at that rate. Okay, so that's his first one. The second